Meaning of Edit Suite.
Edit Suite.
Edit Suite.
Edit Suite.
Edit Suite. An edit suite is a specialized room used for video or audio editing. It typically contains a computer or a series of computers equipped with editing software, along with equipment such as monitors, speakers, and input devices for controlling the editing process. The room may also be soundproof to ensure optimal sound quality during editing. Edit suites are often used in the film and television industry, as well as by independent content creators. Their purpose is to provide an environment that allows editors to create and refine content with precision and control.